Hey everyone, today we are reviewing the Liven app in 2026, a mental well-being and self-discovery app powered by AI. Is it the best AI assistant you need right now? Let's break it down quickly. Liven is a self-growth and emotional well-being app, not a productivity tool. It helps you understand your emotions, reduce stress, improve habits, and gain clarity using AI guidance, journaling, and structured programs. Main features: personalized onboarding test creates a custom plan based on your mindset and goals. AI assistant, Livy, offers emotional support, reflection prompts, and guidance. Mood tracking and journaling helps identify emotional patterns. Daily tasks and exercises, small actions to improve mental clarity. Available on iOS, Android, and web. Who is Levin best for? Levin is best for people dealing with stress, overthinking, or lack of motivation. Users who want guided self reflection, not therapy. Beginners in mental wellness who want structure, and it is not ideal if you are looking for clinical therapy or mental health treatment, especially the deep one. Pricing and trial reality check. Living usually starts with a low cost trial, then switches to a paid subscription. Important tip: always check the billing terms and cancel early if you are just testing. And pricing may vary by region and plan, so keep that in mind. Pros and cons. Now let's start with the pros. Clean and simple interface, helpful for emotional awareness, AI support available 24/7. But of course, nothing is perfect, and it has some cons. And for the cons, we can say that the subscription can feel very expensive, the AI responses may feel repetitive over time, not a replacement for real therapy. Final verdict. So, is Living the best AI assistant you need in 2026? If you want daily emotional support, habit building, and self reflection, Living can be useful. Just be mindful of subscription and manage it carefully. And that's all for today's review. If you find this review helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. And tell me down below in the comments if you have ever used the Living application or not, and tell me more about your experience. Thank you and goodbye.